exactly how many ports we have, every fluid. I love that.
It's the best.
Yeah.
So that makes
It's
sense.
here! This is gonna get so full of dog hair. Yeah. It's here. It is here. So I'm a huge Toyota guy. Besides, no, that. And when I saw this at the dealership, I wanted to buy it so bad, instantly. Luckily, the parts guy told me that they were on sale online. So instead of spending, what was it, $200, what they were asking at the dealership, it was online with free shipping for $139. This is gonna get so full of dog hair, but I've got to wear it at least once in a while. It is not full of dog hair. All right, is that not sick? Here's the right sleeve. And the left sleeve. Here's the front side of this thing. Here's the patches from the left side down. It's going to be on the upper right side. And now the inside of this jacket is so cool to me. Immediately I thought of how cool it would be if the interior of my 88 4Runner was wrapped in this. I mean, would that not look sick? Sure, a little bit of V-Dub vibes, I guess, but I like it. Oh man! And this is an extra large. Point. Oh man, that is so sick. I can't wait to drive my truck with this on. Belly show. No. For an XL, I think this might be a little small. Man, this is nice. I'm already gonna get this full of shit too. I already know it. Man, it's cool.